Next one. So now, question number 1A, as I told you, which of the following is not a current asset? In that, the answer is D, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery is a fixed assets. We have in the balance sheet assets and what are current assets, what are fixed assets. So plant and machinery is a fixed asset which cannot be converted into cash immediately. That is called as a fixed asset, which is not a current asset. Am I correct? Okay, now we'll go to the second question. What is the next step to journalizing in accounting cycle? A, posting, B, balancing, C, analyzing, D, recording. You can give your answer, put it in the chat box, please. Fast. Okay. Yes. All of you. D. Madhavi Garu, A. Umameswar Reddy, D. Sridevi, A. Satyareddy, A. Yes, yes. Sunita, A. Bhagyasri, A. Kiran, A. Yes. Sainath, A. Yes, yes. The last D. Yes. Tell me. Some more. Surya Prakash, A. Vasanta, A. Yes, yes, yes. Tarun, A. Okay. It is a very simple. Journalizing means journal entries. We are passing finalization entries, transfer entries. I told you all. Journalizing means journal entries. Journal entries, after making the journal entries, what do? We are posting into ledgers. That is called as a posting. A is correct answer. A is correct answer. Whoever has mentioned A, that is a correct answer. Am I correct? Journalizing, after journalizing is it. Now we'll go to the next one. Yeah. The assets that can be converted into cash within a short period of time. A, current assets. B, non-current assets. C, intangible assets. D, fixed assets. Fast. Sangeeta, A. Sangeeta, Kiran, Madhavi, A. Sundari, raise your hand, A. So somebody has raised the hand. If you have any doubt, you put it in the chat box, please. Because now I don't want you to open up the volume. Yes, it is of course, I've already given you the answer. So that's the reason you should be thorough with that. And the same question I've already, so that's the reason now, without any doubt, I'm happy that at least, so this, the assets which can be converted into cash within a short period of time, that is called as current assets. It is a correct answer. Yes, definitely. Next one, question number 3. Sorry, question number 3 or 4? Yeah. Question number 4. Which of the following does not appear in trial balance? A, opening stock. B, closing stock. C, prepaid rent. D, annual income. Which of the following will not appear in trial balance? Chapandi, tell me. It is a very, very important question. You are making trial balances. D, Kiran, D, Sainath, D, Sridevi, Sridevi got C, D. Oh my God. Sangeeta, Tarun D, Sangeeta D, Hemalata D. Yes, yes. Some more. Sir, we need to. My God, I'm God. Okay, Sivakrishna D. Sivakrishna D. Bhagyasri D. Sridevi D. All are on D. Okay, okay. Yes, yes. How do you, which is the, say that which will not appear in a, sir, what is annual income, please? Annual income means to say sales is your annual income. Hello, annual income means to say what? Sales is the annual income, annual sale. It will not appear in trial balance. It will appear. Which won't, because all of you made it, because I'm very sorry to know to you people, I mean, like, how you made so many trial balances here. That's why I'm very sorry to say. Okay, now finally Madhavi has come back with the right answer. Sir, not the right answer. No, she is also not the right. Nobody has put the correct answer. Which of the following does not appear in the trial balance? Opening stock, it will appear in the, because in the balance sheet items, whatever are there, it will appear, in the next year trial balance or whatever. Opening stock appears in trial balance. Prepaid rent, yes, I have already paid the rent, it comes in the debit side rent. Annual income, it is a sales, it will come in the credit side of the trial balance. Closing stock, where does it come? You tell me. Please, all of you, we are not closing stock, it is not appearing in the trial balance. Is it appearing? Closing stock is a valued. We have done the table, chair, almara, stock account, and finally we have put the value of closing stock. That we have taken in the P&L balance sheet account, but we have not taken in the trial balance. Closing stock is a what? The purchases or a sales part of it is already, they have come in the trial balance. The balance, leftover balance of the stock, it is called as a closing stock, which will not appear in the trial balance. So correct answer is B. Nobody has given B. I am very, sorry to note that you have not answered it properly. So correct answer is closing stock B. Okay, hope you understood. You check it up, the trial balance, if you want. Now, we go to the next one, sir. Okay, this question is already come. Okay, wrongly has put it in that one. Okay, now we'll go to the next. Now, important. See, look here. If the assets of a business are 1 lakh rupees and equity 20,000 rupees. Equity is 20,000 rupees. What is the value of liability here? How to find out the liability value? A, 80,000, B, 70,000, C, 60,000, D, 50,000. Which is the correct one, please? A, yes, Madhavi A, Sridevi A. All of you. Tell me, yeah, fast. A, option A, yes. Some more? All of you. A, yes. A, yeah, one thing. Very correct, very correct. I am very happy that you have answered correctly. See, one thing is that you see the balance sheet. Liabilities meant to say what we call capital and liabilities. Equity is a capital. So in the balance sheet is divided into liabilities and assets. Okay, assets. So liability side should tally with the asset side. Liability side, you take capital and liabilities, what we call. Next is assets and properties. So suppose assets are 1 lakh rupees, mean to say, so that has to tally with the 1 lakh rupees on the liability side. So now equity capital is 20,000 rupees. Now 1 lakh means 1 lakh minus 20, 80,000 is your liability. That is A. 80,000 is the correct answer. Thank you. Thank you. All of you have. So this is the concept, very, very important, that you have to keep it in the mind, and you have to focus on that. Very good. I'm happy. Sir, next one. If, now, if salaries are 12,000 rupees, rent is 5,000, gross profit is 58,000, discount received is 1,000 rupees. What is net profit? What is net profit? With this, you have to find out the net profit. Is it 51,000? Is it 61,000? Is it 65,000? Is it 41,000? Which is the one? Please answer. All of you. Which one? It's a very, very important. Somebody has mentioned Manikanta. C. Okay. All of you, please. How you have arrived? You can make the calculation, do it. C 65,000, C 65,000. Sunita C, yes. Kiran C. Kiran C. Yes, yes, I want all of you to answer. Galaxy C, C. Umameshwar B, you have put it as a 61,000. Okay, okay. D, Madhavigaru D, yes. Yes, it is a very, very important, because you will know the concept of your P&L account. D, 41, D, 41,000, D, my God, D. D. Okay. How you have arrived at a D, please? Can I tell you? First thing is that here salaries are 12,000. It is an expenditure. Yes or no? Salaries are 12,000. Rent is 5,000. 12,000 plus 5,000 is what, sir? 12,000 plus 5,000 is a 17,000 rupees. Now, expenditure is 17,000, and discount received is 1,000. It is an income. You are showing it on the income side. Discount received 1,000. You do one thing. Hello. You do one thing. 12,000 plus 5,000 is a 17,000. Am I correct? If it is a 17,000 is the expenditure. Income is 1,000 rupees is the discount, minus 1,000. It comes as your 16,000 is the expenditure. What is the gross profit? 58,000. 58 minus 6. 58 minus 6. How much it will come? Okay, 12,000, 17,000. Okay, 17,000. What is it? 59. 59. Yeah, correct answer is actually 41,000. 41,000 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, next one. Because if we see that incoming minus, next one. This term does not include in statement of financial position. This term does not include in statement of financial position. Inventory, A, inventory, B, sales, C, fixtures, D, overdraft. Which one will not include in financial statement? Finance statement of financial position. Nitya D, Prakash C, C, yeah, Umameshwar C, Sridevi C, yes, C, Galaxy D, Sridevi A, okay, Sivaram C, Madhavi Garu B, Madhavi Garu B, next, sir, look here, financial position part of it, normally what happens? Inventory is a stock. Inventory is a stock. How much? Because I have to take my financial position, as I told you, it is like I can sell my stock immediately, I get back my money and say. So tomorrow, if I want to see my how much funds are available to me as a financial position, I have to find out, say, which can we have a, what are the Vasanta Garu, you are just overwriting on this thing, please kindly don't interact with the screen, please, because your name is appearing there. So inventory is a stock. Stock, I can always take it into funds account if I want to have any sort of a money, I can use that. Sales is a income, financial position. Overdraft, because if I want to have the funds, I can go to bank and take the overdraft. But the fixtures are a furniture and fixtures are a fixed asset. This will not be considered for statement of financial position. Correct answer is C. Whoever has mentioned C, it is a correct answer. That's a very good. Next, can we go to question number 9, please? If assets are 8,000 and capital 6,000, liability will be. I think it's a simple question. Liability will be how much? Hello, liability will be. Liability will be. Sridevi C. 2,000. Mama sir. B 2,000. Security B. B. I've already explained in the above question that assets are equal to capital and liability. Assets is equal to capital plus liability. So now here, assets are 8,000, mean to say, now asset side 8,000, now liability side also 8,000, mean to say, liability and the capital should be 8,000. Now 6,000 is capital, 8 minus 6, 2,000 is the liability. That's the reason. Okay, 2,000 is the correct answer, B. Okay. Again, I am requesting you, some of your students' name, Sridevi name, Vasanta name, they are appearing on the screen. That is a sort of a disturbance, and there will be some sort of a scribbling or something. Please don't touch that screen. You just have to answer, please. Okay, thank you. Next, we'll go to the next question, please. The liability of a business are 30,000 rupees. The capital of proprietor is 70,000. What are your total assets? What are your total assets in case of the proprietorship concern? C. Uma Maheshwari put all, I have put all C. C. Oh my God, C. C. All you are put Vijayasri C. Sunita D. Yeah, Manikanta D. Yes. Bhagyasri D. Sangeeta D. Yes. D. C. Tarun C. Sainath C. Some more. Sridevi D. Yeah. Sainath C. D. Sir, this question actually 3 times because now I am very, I'm trying to please read the question. Liability is 30,000. Capital liability, whether it is a proprietor capital or equity company capital is a capital. Capital and capital is 70,000. 30,000 is a liability. Mean to say that is a liability side is 1 lakh rupees. So right side and the asset side also equal to, isn't it? Capital plus liability is equal to total assets. That is how much? 30 plus 70,000 is called as a 1 lakh. 1 lakh should be your total assets. Here we don't have 1 lakh. That is D is the correct answer. None of the above. Whoever has mentioned D, it is a correct answer. Please kindly, so these are all the things you have to be very, very careful. You know the concept. You should know about the balance sheet. What are the items will come, how it so how it matches the liability side have to match. So that's the reason these sort of examples are simple questions are given here. That's called as a quiz, mean to say we don't go deep into that, but this will make you to understand the subject well. Now, which of the following will cause of owner's equity increase? Owner's equity, owner's capital will increase because of the following. What is the A, expenses, B, owner's drawings, C, receivables, D, loss? Which one? C is receivables, A is expenses, B. So which one is correct, please? Receivables. And then D, loss. That's all because they have mentioned receive C second. Bhagyasri C, Sivakrishna C, Uma Maheshwari C. Yes, Vijay C. So, sir, because so many are there and the participants, but only few of them are answering it. I think next time we will keep this video through videos, all of you have to answer. So that has to come the concept because I want everybody to answer. Manikanta B, Sridevi B. Okay. Yes. Any more? Harati C. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. See, one thing is that One thing is that C is correct answer. C is the correct answer because here expense meant to say it is a expenditure. You see, always if I have to actually profit is added to the owner's capital. Am I correct? If the profits are more, it will be added to his account. That's the reason expenses won't increase the profit. Owner's drawings is taking the money, it won't improve the other thing. Loss won't, only the receivables, if you receive the income. That's the reason. Okay? Next question. We'll go to the next question. Whoever has mentioned C is correct. Excuse me, Usha, picture, please. Please. Next one. Excuse me, excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, next one is 12. Cash in hand, stock of goods, cash in bank, or which type of asset? A, current asset. B, fictitious asset. C, fixed asset. D, none of the above. Excuse me, I will join you, please. Yes, which of the, please tell me. So now, cash in hand, stock of goods, cash in bank, which type of asset? Answer, please. A, Hati A, Tarun A, yes, yes, some more. A, some more. Everybody has to participate, I told you. There are 30. Shailaja Garu? Shailaja, somebody please, you see that they are scratching on the screen? Shailaja, please. Please don't cause any disturbance for the program. Yeah. So here, cash in hand, stock of goods, cash in bank, these are all the parts of, these are all the assets which can be converted into cash immediately. Those are called as current assets. Current assets are the which one? Which can be converted into cash. So that's the reason correct answer is A. First, what is a fictitious asset? Fictitious asset means it is not a real asset. What we call it as an intangible asset also. We cannot see. We can see the cash, we can see the stock. But here, fictitious asset means to say we cannot see it, it is a goodwill. Miscellaneous expenditure, no, lot of expenses are those heavy expenditure and what we call deferred revenue expenditure, incorporation expenditure, copyright is not having, we show it as a right. I mean, like asset, those are fictitious asset which is not having any value or we cannot touch them. They have the figure, I mean, amount is mentioned as a certain sort of a amount, but it is not a we cannot touch it, we cannot see it. That's called as a fixed asset, table, chair, almara, plant and machinery, none of the above. So now A is the correct answer. Thank you. Question number 13. Approval basis of accounting records revenue when they are. It is a very, very important question. I want all of you to answer it. Main accounting is depending on this. Approval basis of accounting records revenue when they are earned, A, earned, B, paid, C, received, D, incurred. which one is correct. And first you should know what is accrual basis of accounting, where there, how this accounting treatment is done. It is a very, very important one. I want you to answer it properly. All of you, think it over. You should understand first what is accrual basis of accounting, how they do it. Yes. Yes, Gita, ye. Yeah. Sundari D. Somebody mentioned yes, Sridevi, yeah. Sridevi C. Vijay D. Kiran A. Shivaram D. Yes, yes. A and D both. A and D both. Okay. Next, Radhika A. Yes. Everyone. Some more. So one thing here, A, Shailaja A. Maltis. See one thing, what is accrual basis of accounting? It is a method of accounting. How many methods of accounting are there, please? Cash basis of accounting. Cash basis of accounting, mercantile method or accrual basis of accounting. Third is mixed or hybrid method of accounting. So in case of what is the cash basis? Cash basis meant to say, when I suppose doctor is there, suppose advocate is there. Advocate, what he will do? Whenever any last year he argued the case. Last year he was supposed to get the fees. The party has not paid. Party pays after 2 years, or he has paid it now after 2 years. I am taking that money, last year's income, I am receiving it now. I will account it. That is called as a cash basis of accounting. In respect to when he earned the income, when he was supposed to get the income, but he received after certain period, in which year he will get the money, that he will take it in that year as income. That is called as cash basis of accounting. But what is the accrual basis of accounting or mercantile method mean to say? This year income is to be accounted in this year only. If I earned mean to say, yeah. So here, suppose I raised a bill for 1 lakh rupees. I will take it in the sales. The party has not paid 1 lakh rupees. He will pay after 2 years, or we don't know when he pays. But you have to take it into books of account as a sale bill is taken as income. But the party may pay whenever he pays. That is irrespective. We have to account it in the same year of the income earned. That is the irrespective of whether the income is received or not. That is to be accounted. That is called as mercantile method of accounting. That's called as, because it is a revenue, when they are mentioned, when it is earned only, it is to be taken into account. It is called as accrual basis of accounting or mercantile method of accounting. Both are same only. That's it. Next one. Okay. Whoever has mentioned CA is correct answer. Yeah. Revenues are basically the net income, B, gross income, C, net profit, D, none of the above. Which one is correct? All of you. B, yeah, it A, A. Somebody said C, Sunita A. Yes. A. Somebody has mentioned C also. Yeah, please. C, B, Manikanta B. A. Yes. Yeah. What is the net income? Net income meant to say after your whatever expenses have gone, like a base part of it, isn't it? So whatever the income after your, not a net profit, is your sales minus purchases, this is called as a net income. Gross income means what? It is a total sale, but in that some expenditure is not deducted. Okay. Next, C is the net profit. D is none of the above. Revenues are basically taken as a what? Total revenue mean to say it is a total income or a total that is called as a, what we call it as a gross income. It can be mentioned as a gross income or a net income. But the thing is that basically when somebody will talk in a broader way, that it is a total income or this thing, we take it as gross income. B is correct. B is correct. Next one. Patent, goodwill, copyrights are which type of asset? It is also very, very important, please. Patent, goodwill, copyrights are which type of assets? A, fixed assets. B, current asset. C, intangible asset. D, none of the above. Which one is correct, please? Okay. C. Yeah, so here, what is happening? Patents are as a, because I'm already explaining in the above the questions, you have already got the answer. I had already mentioned the assets which cannot be touched or which you cannot see. We call them as a intangible or fictitious assets. That's the reason C is correct answer. Intangible assets is it is called as a correct answer. Intangible assets C. Thank you. You all mentioned correctly only. I think next time onwards, I have to just give this question. I should not explain it so that your answer will come out, isn't it? Then I have to, at the end, I have to explain it. Okay, now we'll see. Find out accounts receivable from the following. Cash 48,000, accounts payable 33,000, office equipment 21,000, owner equity 77,000. Please, now you have to find out accounts receivable amount. Is it A 21,000, B 41,000, C, 15,000. D, 11,000. Which one is correct, please? Excuse me, Usha, please, please. So it is the, how much is it? Tell me, please. Yes, which one is correct? Answer me, please. Yeah, somebody has mentioned yeah, 21,000. Yes, please answer me. B, Sundari, B, 41,000. C, Sunita, A. Kiran, C. Sunita, A. Sridevi, D, 11,000. It is a very, very important because now you will know about the balance sheet. Yes, Shailaja, C, 15,000. How did you get? Because you should also answer me how you could calculate it. How you could calculate it. C, Manikanta, that is C. Sivakrishna, A. Different figures are coming, please. Yeah. One thing I will tell you, I told you what I told you, which one we divide the trial balance into two, assets and liability side. Which item will come in the liability side, which item will come in the asset side. Accounts receivable, which side of the which side of the balance sheet it will come? We have to receive, that is called as sundry debtors. Accounts receivable will come in the sundry debtors, meant to say asset side of the balance sheet. Cash, which comes in the asset side of the balance sheet. So now we will find out what is the asset side of the balance sheet now. Cash is 48,000 asset side. And now accounts payable 33,000. Where does it come? It is a payable liability. It 33,000 comes in the liability side. Office equipment, it is an asset. It will come in the asset side, 21,000. Owner's equity, 77,000, which comes in the liabilities side, capital and liability side. Now we will find out how much is the total of liability side. That means to say owner's equity, 77,000 is in the liability side. Okay, correct. Next is accounts payable, 33,000. It comes in the which side, sir? It also comes in the liabilities. Mean to say total amount of liability side is 1,10,000. Am I correct? 77,000 plus 33,000, 1,10,000. But now we'll take into 1,10,000 should be same amount in the asset side. Now cash is 48,000. It is in the asset side, 48,000. Office equipment, 21,000 is in the asset side. So total in the asset side, now it is coming 48, mean to say 48 plus 21, mean to say it comes 69,000. 69,000 in the asset side. But we are not accounts payable amount, mean to say if we minus 69,000 from 1,10,000. That is the balance is your accounts receivable. You should match with the or B 41,000. Am I correct? The account receivable amount is 41,000. 41,000 is the correct answer, please. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. If assets are 8,000, capital 6,000, liabilities will be, this question has already come. So assets are 8,000, capital is 16,000. Assets are 8,000, capital is 6,000, liabilities will be 2,000. Okay, that you not this question, we can leave it. Outstanding salary, yeah, very good. Outstanding salary is a current liability. B, revenue. C, non-current liability. D, current asset. Yes, sir. Which one is correct? You answer me, please. Sangeeta, please answer. C, Radhika, you put it as C. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next to Prakash, Yes. Sailaja, Yeah. I don't, you see, outstanding salary means we have to pay the salaries, which have to be paid immediate, because salaries, how much time you take, we have to pay in the next month. It is a immediate liability. Like a current asset means immediately we get, current liabilities means immediately have to pay. This is called as a current liability. The correct answer, please. Next. Next one. Please. Please. Next one is the, I will tell you. Venkatesh, please mute your mic and don't tell us. Okay, next one is outstanding salary lower. Next, prepaid expenses are, some of you, please. Hello, Jay Venkatesh, please mute the mic. If you have a, again, you are opening it. If you have anything, I'll, please, we'll talk. Now, prepaid expenses are current liability, current asset. See, expenses, D, revenue. Yes, it is a very important one. Tell me, prepaid expenses. Prepaid expenses, please. I paid. Yeah, prepaid expenses means it is a, which one? Current liability, current asset. B, Sundari B, Sunita B. Yes, sir. We are coming to end. D, somebody has mentioned D, Hemagaru. Okay, now prepaid expenses is a, we have paid the expenditure, that is a, like a, if you pay amount like a subscription for the year, I've already paid it, because it is not an expenditure of the this year, it is an expenditure of the next year. Mean to say, it is an asset. It is it is not the expenditure of this year. I have already paid for the next year part of it now. It is called as a, I can withdraw that, I can take out the money. That's the reason it is called as a current asset. Okay, now whoever has mentioned B is a correct one, sir. Now come to the next one, last one is a asset minus liability. What do you call it? A, profit. B, working capital. C, capital. D, revenue. Tell me. All of you. Which one? Which one? A. All are you? Sir, Venkatesh, A. Tarun, A. Yes, yes. A. It is a very important, as I told you, we have already covered about this point, but still you are making a mistake. I'm very sorry to say that you are making a mistake. This is for your kind information. As I told you, assets should be equal to liabilities, capital plus liabilities. So now assets minus liability is equal to what, sir? Assets minus liability mean to say here we have to have a, they have not mentioned, actually, isn't it? This will come as a capital. Assets minus liability is a capital. Capital C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer with this your quiz. Yeah, okay, yes. I thank you one and all. If you have any for a few, okay, minutes, somebody has got any doubt, they can just open up the mic and not all of you like one, please. But see that you don't have background. Yeah, the background. Okay, so first thing is that you have to understand the concept. Whenever you are participating in the speech, you should have the subject knowledge. Balance sheet, we have done so many balance sheets, you should have gone deep into the each item, how that is structured, all those things. Okay? Okay. Yes, yes. Somebody, if you have any query, you can ask me first. Chapandi. Okay, so next time we will be having it, individual assessment. I don't want to participate all. I think I may have to involve 5-6 people, each person, and then test their skills also. Like, okay, thank you one and all. Hope you have enjoyed this quiz. So happy Sunday. Thank you one and all having participated in the quiz. Okay, good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice of you. Okay, please.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sign up.
Good day. Good day. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sign up.
Thank you. Yes.
Sign up.